So these past energies, right? These past things, these past ideas of ourselves has has to be looked at introspectively. And you got to sit by yourself and literally sit there, talk to yourself and say, who am I? Now when you're able to do this and literally talk to yourself without feeling some type of way, without being embarrassed and stuff, just sit there and talk to yourself. I'm giving you all the jewels right now. Sit there and talk to yourself. Understand the programming, understand how deep it gets, understand your parents' upbringing, right? Because a lot of this stuff is based off of our mamas. So all of this generational curse thing is being handed down. We want to get into our astral travel, and we want to get into our dreams. We want to talk to our ancestors. We want to receive these channels, messages, and all of that. Talk to these gods and stuff like that, right? But we still haven't figured out why we're not applying ourselves to do it. So there's a subtle energy there, right? There's a subtle energy. It's called fear. People want to associate it with laziness, but no, the subtleties of the energy is actually fear, because you're not picking yourself up to take action in that direction. You either want to do it or not, right? Or you just want to sit on the couch and watch Panic talk about it. See what I'm saying? This is about experimentation. This is about trying, applying, practicing, right? Going for it. Okay, so a lot of times I understand that the energy is not about being tired or something like that. I get it, I get tired too and stuff, you don't want to do nothing, you don't want to, but what I'm trying to get you to understand is that if you do it enough, your subconscious mind, see what happening is your subconscious mind doesn't agree with the work, right? So if your subconscious mind is not agreeing with the work, you can be motivated and all that shit for 2 weeks, but your subconscious mind is still going to pull you down. The idea is to repetitiously break the cycle. So you got to do it every day, no matter what. Do it for 2 months and see what happens. I bet you won't stop.